Okay guys, this video is about how to add a light leak transition effect. For you to know how to do it, the first thing you have to do is to import the light leak effect. If you don't know how to get the light leak effect, it's available on YouTube. You can go to YouTube. And search for light leak transition effect. It's going to bring it out for you. Then you can see all of them. You can see this one. You can see this one. You can see. Don't download them all with source footage. Just download all these clean ones. If you download them, you bring it to your Premiere Pro. Then what you have to do is you have to carry it and position it in the place you want it to transit from or transit to. Yeah, so let's just play it. So to remove this black background, what you just have to do is to come to this effect control. You come to effect control, you locate your opacity. In your opacity, you come to blend mode. Then in this blend mode, change it to screen. So once you change it to screen, it's going to look like this. Then that black background has removed. Sits here. So this is it. So that's light leak effect. So